If your Android phone suddenly won't turn on, is stuck on the logo, or keeps rebooting, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your data from a bricked Android phone and even how to fix it step by step. Part 1. What is a bricked Android phone? When your Android phone is soft bricked, it still powers on but can't boot properly. Maybe it's stuck on the logo or in a boot loop. A hard bricked phone, on the other hand, doesn't turn on at all. No lights, no vibration, nothing. Part 2. Why does an Android phone get bricked? Many factors may lead to a bricked Android phone. Below are possible causes of a bricked Android device. Root the Android device. Install a custom ROM on your Android device. Interrupted Android firmware update. Virus or malware attack. Physical damage affected the BIOS chip motherboard, such as water damage or falling the device onto a hard surface. Incompatible firmware. Your Android device runs out of battery. Part 3. How to fix a bricked Android phone. Here are some practical solutions you can try. Solution 1. Wipe cache and data. If your Android device keeps rebooting after you flash the custom ROM, you may have forgotten to wipe the cache and data of the former ROM. Step 1. Press and hold the volume up plus home plus power buttons simultaneously when you turn on the device. Step 2. Press the volume down button to choose the recovery mode as prompted. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions. To continue, you can use the volume buttons to select the options and press the power button to confirm your choice. Step 4. Press the volume keys to navigate to advanced wipe Dalvik cache and confirm your choice with the power button. Next, return to the main screen to select the wipe cache partition. Step 5. Select the wipe data or factory reset option with the volume keys to erase all leftover data and settings. Step 6. Restart your Android device. Solution 2. Force restart your device. Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. This combination may vary slightly depending on the phone model. Step 2. Wait until the screen goes black and the device restarts automatically. Step 3. Once the phone reboots, check whether it can start normally without getting stuck in a boot loop. If your Android still won't power on, proceed to the next method for deeper system repair. Solution 3. Flash a new ROM. If your Android phone boots directly into recovery mode, it's likely due to a faulty or corrupted ROM. You can fix this by reflashing the ROM or restoring the stock ROM through bootloader mode. After installing the new ROM, allow around 10 minutes for the system to adjust and complete setup. Solution 4. Contact the manufacturer service. If nothing works to fix the bricked Android device, try to contact the mobile manufacturer or visit the nearby repair store for professional repair. Except for the expensive bills, it will safely fix your device to its original status. Part 4. How to recover data from bricked phone. A bricked Android phone doesn't always mean permanent data loss. With tools like broken Android data extraction, you can recover files and even repair devices that are bricked, frozen, or virus infected. This tool works with most Samsung models, such as Galaxy S, Note, and Tab series. Step 1. Install the program on your computer. Launch it and select Broken Android Phone Data Extraction from the main panel. Then, connect your bricked Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Next, choose your Android's name and model, and click Confirm. If you're unsure about your phone's details, simply click the question mark icon in the program to see instructions on how to find the required information. Step 3. You'll then be prompted to put your Android device into download mode. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enter download mode. Once done, the program will detect your device and automatically start scanning the data on it. Step 4. After scanning, select a data type from the left panel to preview the files. Check the items you wish to recover, and finally, click the Recover button to start restoring data from your bricked phone to your computer.